me, the Returnship program has been an avenue to revive my software skills and reconnect with corporate culture. It is a platform that recognizes the value of experience regardless of a career break. It gave me a chance to work with Microsoft BI technology stack and Power BI, building systems ground up, laying the architectural foundation for systems produced, and following it through the entire development cycle. This gave me the ability to see the big picture, enterprise development experience in complex heterogeneous environments yet again.